Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device model and updating iOS. This ensures compatibility with diagnostic steps. Once done, back up your data and disable Face ID in settings so resets won't lock you out. Next, physically inspect the front glass, case, and screen protector for dirt, cracks, or displaced adhesive. Small blocks like a misaligned case can break the infrared path. If you see debris, gently clean with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. Make sure to remove the case before proceeding. You now run the built-in diagnostic in settings Face ID and passcode to capture error codes. This tells you if sensors are responding. If diagnostics show faults, reset Face ID and re-enroll. Turn the device away from direct sunlight and rotate your head slowly during the scan for full depth mapping. Use a small flashlight to verify no visible blockage in the dot projector and flood illuminator area. If sensors don't respond, run the Apple Support app diagnostics to log hardware errors before hardware steps. You complete the workflow by attempting a clean DFU restore. This rules out firmware corruption and often fixes persistent Face ID faults. If the TrueDepth system still fails, replace the front camera/TrueDepth assembly. Note that calibration and original Apple parts matter, so use authorized service if possible. Once replaced, rerun enrollment and diagnostics. If Face ID is intermittent, make sure connectors are seated and test with original parts. If problems persist, contact Apple Support for calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.